I think that this conference was a very interesting opportunity to exchange views on European tax policy, various aspects of tax policy, including tax harmonization, important issues like the taxation of the financial sector. The paper I presented was about information exchange between tax havens. Now, there is a widespread concern that tax enforcement in the international area is incomplete, in the sense that wealthy individuals hold financial assets in tax havens. And since a decade approximately, the OECD has made efforts to improve information exchange for tax purposes between countries. And the paper I've presented here is a study of tax information exchange agreements between countries, and what we have investigated is whether tax havens sign agreements with the right countries, meaning the countries where economic links are strong, or whether tax havens try to avoid these countries and focus on, for instance, signing agreements with other tax havens. And what we find is that tax havens on average do sign agreements with the right countries, but on average, if you look at the top 5 economic partners for each tax haven countries, on average 2.5, so roughly half of these countries are covered by agreements. So that means the OECD initiative is successful, but the information exchange going on is still incomplete, so there is room for further improving the network. Of course, an important aspect which we haven't studied in this paper is how this information exchange then works in practice, but that is for future research.